Welcome everybody. We are pushing right away, a bit delayed, but this market is pushing anyway without us. So we have time. Welcome back, guys. Trading always here with Apex Trader funding accounts and with 17 PAs, $2.4 million of 2.4 million dollars of funded accounts. So I need to put some levels first. Welcome back everybody to this live. I need to put the levels, guys. Why you have some levels there? I have not still in my chart. What the heck is this? Yes, that is an important level. Then that one. Then what the heck is this level? That one. Oh wow, all these 3 levels are quite important right now for me. Okay, I need some levels. Hello, Sabria, you're the first one. Good morning. Good morning, Sabria. 340, it's one level. Okay, then 377, another one. Then 421, a few levels I have there. Let's see, market just went without us. It's no problem. Redwan, welcome guys, welcome everybody, welcome. Always we are in peace here. We are trying to be the best as we can. We are here to trade. Market is just flying, guys. Good morning, guys. We just keep the relaxed moment. We don't need to push any trades. That's very important. It's people always forget this. We don't need to push trades. Made some money on gold forex. It dumped. Wow. Yeah, gold. I see it dumped because of this. Because what happened with gold is that the gold goes up during a certain period because people like to have gold as a safe place. It's like a safe investment. But when the market is just rallying, people move to different type of market. So good morning, Mufti the cat. Mufti, how are you, brother? You've been quiet in the last days. Where have you been? Where have you been? You don't speak with me anymore. I feel betrayed. I feel lost. Where have you been, brother? Where have you been? Wednesday today. No news. No news. That's good. Watching quietly. Yeah, you're watching quietly in the last period, right? Mali, good morning. Good morning, Mali. Mali. This market is rallying. I need to check the stocks. Stocks heat map is mostly green. We have the stocks rallying most probably. Apple there, Amazon, not really to be honest. Only, wow, Microsoft rallying. That's the things is pushing right now. We have some Apple there struggling to go, but it's holding pre-market. It's holding pre-market price action. But for the moment, not that much. Not that much. What a push yesterday, a lot of price action during here, not that much during pre-market. And we might come back. Just gonna keep it relaxed. We don't need to force a trade. Up $1,004 on 50 macros, added the well way up, down for the day. What? Wait, from here you mean, or from here pre-market? Man, even from here you did, wow. Good job, Tomato. Tomato really just killing it, guys. I'm very happy for you, man. Keep the ball rolling. Keep the ball rolling, man. That's beautiful. That's freaking beautiful. My God, good job. I'm looking at this market. If these longs make sense on this retest of my level, 377 to go to the 419, it can make sense, but looking at their stocks there, Amazon not that really, Apple on VWAP, Google pushing right now. Stocks are quite strong. What is Tesla doing? Tesla there, I don't know. Looking, I'm evaluating step by step. By the way, yesterday, thank you guys for helping me for this. Look at this. This is $78 with free contracts. If I enter here, that is $240. And if I risk $200, it's somewhere here. Wow, that's beautiful. I don't know, yesterday you really helped me a lot. Good morning, guy. Good morning, everyone. Guy, tomato, what the heck? Guys, I'm thinking about buying here. It's a bit of a risky game, but I'm liking it. Apple is there, is pushing, holding every stocks. Amazon not the best, but Google holding. I'm looking for a long here, to be honest. For the next push. It looks interesting, eh? I'm gonna take it, guys. I'm gonna take it. For a continuation of this push, I like that Apple is still there, holding. Most of the stocks are pushing, apart Amazon, but I'm looking for the push more here. First went long, 336. Here you went long. Let's see if we got screwed by this. If I don't like it, I'm gonna flatten it quicker. I don't like this. I don't like this. Show me. I don't need to. I don't need the visual. I only want the marker. Let me see. I might flatten it quick if I don't like it. But I like that Apple still holding, Google still pushing. Apple still holding there. Can we get a little more push? Looking at it, I'm not gonna give it a full loss in this trade. A bit aggressive, but might call it. I'm gonna call it myself out. Taking the loss. Don't like that Apple is really struggling since a long time to push there. A bit aggressive. Gonna keep it chill. A bit aggressive on that first trade. $150 loss, it's good. I pushed a bit too much the trigger there, a bit too quick, but it's okay. I caught my loss a bit before. Bad feeling, that's the, if you have your intuition, guy, do it. What was my loss? $200, it was somewhere here. I mean, I would have gotten, yeah, there, I almost stopped out. So I saved myself almost $50 there of a loss. Yeah, I should have, I like the idea of this Google pushing Microsoft strong, but a bit maybe too much aggressive. Amazon was not in my side. I felt it. I felt it because Amazon was not in my side, and I was like, okay, I should really avoid these bad trades, but it's okay. Man, first at 336, you did amazing, man. You just rallied these things. I'm very happy I cut my loss in advance. I would have been getting stopped out almost there. So quite happy with it. At least I said $50 of a loss. We'll see if we wait for the next trade. Maybe even these levels, I'm not really comfortable with these levels because they're too far. What I'm gonna do is remove these levels for the moment. Don't like them. I really looked for a little bit more continuation there. You know, usually it happens, a nice push, come back, continuation. It does happen, but not in this case. Welcome everybody, the soul of the market. This tomato making $1,000. Tomato, how are you with your funded accounts or evaluation accounts you're trading? I don't know what you're trading right now. Oh. Long again, tomato. Let me see the stocks. Oh, Apple finally is pushing. Piece of crap of Apple. Apple is pushing right now, but even Amazon, very good bounce there on the bottom. This longs makes more sense now than here for sure. I'm gonna wait for this 50 minutes range to be closed. That's what I'm looking for. Gonna wait. I have a lot of time to take the second trade. No need to push it now. Apple pushing, but market is coming down. That's very interesting. My stop loss would have been triggered, so I'm very, very happy for at least how I handled my idea of stop loss there. Let's freaking go. Good tomato as well for flattening yourself out. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that, selling situation right now, but not really, yeah? Amazon still holding, Apple still on the top, even if, okay, Google is selling off right now, but honestly, the longs makes more sense. We're just coming from a long situation, so I'm not gonna short these things. Yeah, short, my God, tomatoes, what a killer. What a killer tomato. Tomato, are you tomato or are you active trader society? I'm not sure. I am not sure about that. Adding more, what the heck? That is looking beautiful. 15 minutes range, guys, there as well, here on the bottom. If this one, if we close below, I might look right away for a short. Flat, wow, good job. Good job, man. Wow. Active Trader Society just really cruising. I'm looking for, if this candle closes strong below, I'm gonna look for shorts. I know that I said it, but if this is too strong and we can come back lower to this level here, 270, would be nice. This is the closing of yesterday. But the market right now is Apple is just making red candles over and over. Let's see. Man, are you behind with the live stream? Because I'm thinking about you're behind and you just replied now. You are improving so much, man. You're improving a lot. Man, I like this. Look at this 50 minutes range here, opening print level. I like this as well about a long idea, but gonna wait and see. I have a lot of time. I don't need to rush a trade. I don't need to rush a trade. Now long or short are a bit of a difficult situation for me. Google just gave back everything. Okay, we're breaking lower. That's interesting. Is this gonna be a fake out or is it gonna be a continuation lower? That's very interesting, guys. We're selling off. We're selling off. Google just sold off everything there. Wow, okay. In ES as well, but I might take for the 50 minutes range retest here. If it comes back to retest it. If it does not come back to retest it, it's okay. Yeah, it does not come back to retest it, we're good, we're out, doesn't matter. Wow, this is coming down very quick. That's what I like. Usually I like to take the 50 minutes right away break if I see strength, but this one would have been like what, $200, 200, it would have been a one-to-one risk reward there. Yeah, that would have been a one-to-one risk reward. Good job, very good job. My God, that would have been a quick trade. This one here, break of this, of the 50 minutes range, looking at the strength of the stocks on a short side. But we wait for the second trade. Very good job, my God. Tomato, how much are you up right now? You're making bank there. You're making bank, bang, 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 bang. You're making bank. Yeah, lock yourself out. Lock yourself out. Do that. 1,500, man. Lock yourself out. That's good, man. Good job. Very good job. How many accounts do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 56, 100s, 200s, 500s. Okay, that is interesting, guys. We're coming back. That's interesting. Yo, Hias, what's up? You're coming back. Let's see if we're gonna use this as a retest area or we're gonna bounce and use it to continue longer. That's interesting. We are still weak on Apple, weak on Amazon. It's gonna be interesting. I'm evaluating the situation. I'm looking into it. That was too quick. That was too quick. I could not see the weakness yet. Let me see. I could not see the weakness yet. Unfortunately, I could not see it. Yeah, this is coming up. Oh, that was a great out. You did not first trade, accept a loss early. Yeah, I accepted that one. Accepted quick. Let's see here if we get, but this 50 minutes range quick retest was too quick for me. And really, these candles, give me a little bit of one candle there, just to show me that I'm like, stocks are selling off. Yeah, these things, he wants to go lower without us. That's annoying. It was a good trade, a quick one. This was a quick one, guys. $200 there. To the lows here, almost $200. Even if I go a little bit lower. Let's see. Let's see if maybe we're gonna get an entry. Maybe, let's see. Okay, wow, okay, that's not good. All these sellers here, they're gonna get stopped out. Okay, they get stopped out. Okay, we might look for longs. No jokes, we're gonna look for longs. If these things holds, we're back in the 50 minutes range, we're gonna look for longs. I'm gonna look for longs. I'm going for longs, guys. This is a strong candle, strong buy in there. Tomato is killing it, man. Tomato is killing it. Let's see. Good job, Tomato. I like this push, guys. Huge bounce from Apple, huge bounce from many stocks. If we can keep it riding right now, we're gonna have a nice run to the upside. If not, I'm gonna accept my loss for today and we call it. Hola capo, hola bloods. Okay, we're gonna maybe get stopped out. Let's see, guys. I like that we got a nice bounce from the market, so I'm gonna hold in it. We're back in the 50 minutes range above the opening print level. So it's a few things together there. Can we get, okay. If this does not, I'm gonna cut it out as well earlier if I don't like it anymore. I wanted this to freaking accelerate and get all these buyers here, all these sellers here getting stopped out, but we give it the time. Microsoft on the highs. Apple is trying to push above VWAP and is trying to do it right now. That's good. Oh, that's good. I like it. Come on, Apple. Give me this push. Okay, that's good, Apple. Good as well on Google. Nice reversal there, but not on the market. Okay. We might get stopped out, guys. After 2 wins days, 2 losing days. I'm gonna give it the time until I see we're still holding there. No, we're not holding any shit. Getting stopped out. I was too aggressive today. I see it. Too aggressive. I got it. Too aggressive, guys. Too aggressive. I gave back the profit of yesterday. That's a kind of annoying. I gave the profit of yesterday. Let me evaluate my situation to understand what I've done wrong. A bit aggressive, still okay. A bit good stop loss. Aggressive in this one. Maybe I was too aggressive because I like that we pushed strong in Apple, but we will be below VWAP. A bit too aggressive in this short, in this long. I could have waited for a little bit more of the time, but it is what it is. I think still this thing can go higher, but it is, we're out. We are out, guys. We had a double loss today. It's okay. What we do is respect our rules. I'm gonna as well. I could have done better. Yes, I think I could have done better. A bit too quick today. A bit too quick today, to be honest. I could have waited a little bit more to wait for directions. I did it definitely too quick. Right now, this shot was still made sense. Still, now when I look into it, but it's easy to speak after, right? When I see this and we're like above everything, fake out this possible, break lower, and I was like, okay, we're gonna reverse it. We're still long in the overall direction. I'm too old. That short is good, guys. That Apple is rejecting view up. Amazon still pushing down. It was too aggressive. The direction of the stocks were going lower. I have to be honest with myself. Amazon was selling off. Apple was selling off. That's not. I get faked out on this fake push, but it's okay. It is what it is, guys. How many people we are right now in the live? 18 people. 18 people. We fucked up a little bit today, but we're here. We're here in it. The good side is that I don't overtrade, so that's good. Still sell. The sell makes sense. It's okay. I give back 470 profit. That's less than yesterday, but still 365. 365? Yeah, $365 on the main account. Could have done much better. Hello, I'm sorry for your loss. That's okay, Mohammed. Apple is pushing. What the freaking B? Apple is pushing, guys. Freaking! I should have. Apple fake me out on that things. Yeah, I was long biased. At least I was a little bit biased. on the long side. I was like, okay, let's push a little bit more on these highs. And then I was like, okay, it's faking them out. Give us back the push, you know, back to inside the 50 minutes range. And I got destroyed. I got destroyed. I got destroyed. Are you big short? You mean you're gonna make a lot of money because you're short, like long term, or just because you're gonna be ready to freaking push the trigger? What a day! What a day! What a day! I'm losing money here. Still there, bro. I'm gonna stick to future prop firm for now, and there is no switch about doing scalping. Forex ruins it. Siddharth, that's what I discovered, to be honest, with a lot of people, is that Forex, there is too much slippage, and as well brokers play a lot. But in futures, no. Futures, especially regulated prop firms and everything, every data goes to CME. That is the main data exchange. So everything, and there is a lot of liquidity. So slippage can happen, of course, sometimes during big movement, big news. But if you're trading normally, like I do right now, I might get slippage of like a few ticks or one tick, almost nothing. Ah, yeah, that's it. Any push button when it cracks. Yeah, I see that. 1,500 more. Let's go. And now we're getting. Oh, actually, I think we're gonna. Now we're getting the push. Piece of crap. Microsoft is pushing. Apple is nicely higher than others, but this can be a nice continuation higher. Especially now we did a freaking double bottom. So the idea was right before, but I faked a double bottom here. But it is what it is. And look at that 5 minutes nicely closing there. But who knows? Who knows? I fucked it up. Amazon as well, nicely there. Ah, freaking hell, this was the real push. Let's see, you don't trust it long yet. I'm gonna say I trust it more. Let's see, I put a trade. Yeah, let's see, I would have taken a trade, let's say again here. Risking the same amount and looking again for the push higher. No, sorry, I will look for that higher here. 1.5. Let's see. Apple nicely pushing there. Microsoft, huge push. But let's see. Maybe I'm wrong. But at least, I mean, I trade as well on the 1 minute chart in the end. I understand what you mean with the 5 minutes, but as well with the 5 minutes, if I put 5 minutes on the Apple situation that I took before, it gave me a nice 5 minutes candle green anyway, so. I see what you mean, but the push before was good. Push before was good here. I just got scared. I like this long. If I have to bet, I will go long now than short. This definitely will be a better trade than before, because there is at least more confirmation on the stocks, for my point. But it's okay, we lose. Rank PA. What do you mean rank PA? What do you mean rank PA? Rank PA by balance, rank PA by numbers. I should rank them by balance, profit balance. Wait, can I have a by? Let me see if I can add the column that is a distance from drawdown. Yes, distance from drawdown. No, there is not. Yeah, I don't know if I mean, this is the, yeah. Let's see. This long looks good for me, but let's see. Disgusting price action. Yeah, right now disgusting. I would just only things I like is holding the opening print level back to the 50 minutes range. But who freaking knows? Who knows? Who knows? I like this long more than I liked it before, but I got screwed. I got screwed before. Ah, yeah, that would be nice, right? This is a nicely fake out here and push back. I mean, this long for me makes more sense still, huh? Will you bring more vlogs? Yes. One more tomorrow. One more tomorrow. One more tomorrow, Mali. Then vlog in Los Angeles, vlog in Las Vegas, vlog in New York. Tomato, see you, man. Good job again. You're doing amazing. Good job, Tomato. Very good job. Really, Tomato. Good job. Good job. Good job. Be proud of yourself. Proud of what you achieved. Proud of what you're doing. You are the trader you want to be now, not the trader you dream to be in 1 year. That's what I always repeat. I'm the trader I want to be now and not dreaming to be a trader in 1 year. I'm the trader I want to be now. I follow rules, I execute as I should, and I walk away when I'm done. Okay, we get some push there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna say something today about today. I think today the things I did not have was patience. To be honest, if I had a little bit more patience, and I was getting a little bit FOMO, so I have to realize these emotions. This here was not really patience, and even I like the long is slow. We were pushing and everything. I was looking for a continuation higher, but overall today I think patient game was just wait, just freaking wait until you see something that made more sense. Apple is trying to sell a little bit right now, but still stronger from my point to come to the highs. Still, this long idea is still there. Amazon trying to come back again down, but Google pushing, Tesla pushing. Let's see. Shitty price action, by the way. We have stocks doing different things. You should see crypto. Mufti, how is it going today for you? Wow, that's a nice candle in a tomato. I'm speaking about too much tomato that I called apple tomato. I wanted to say that's a nice red candle in apple, and I said that's a nice red candle in tomato. Ah, look at that. Credit society might be right. Look at that. I call apple tomato, guys. That's not good, huh? That's not good. That's not freaking good. It's talking live again? What? Yeah, guys, I burned myself from the tea. The heck? Look at this. Look at this Trump situation moment. Yeah. See the manipulation, not trading. Yeah. Let's trade more manipulated market more. Let's trade meme coins in Solana, guys, from tomorrow. I drop futures. I'm gonna trade Solana meme coins forever for the rest of my life. Honestly, I'm working with my friend about a bot to identify us pumping Solana coins, so that we can try to trade them with, of course, a risk that is accepted. I'm gonna start slow. We're gonna start slow, risking $50 and blow the $50 if we need it, but try to make it back a return. You should not, honestly, really, you should be allowed to talk in pre-market or after market. You should not be allowed to be talked to be, especially on the first freaking hour of the day. What the heck? Right now we're pushing a little bit, but who freaking knows? Trump is speaking, but Trump is positive when he speaks. That's the point. For him, everything is positive. The market are going up. Everything is good. You know, you have trust issue, eh, Mohammed? Paranoid moment. Ah, look at this long still working. I mean, thanks as well to Trump, but freaking hell. I went too early on that long. I went too early. Anyway, I would have getting stopped out as well here, but piece of crap. Long right now with break even. Let's go. Where is your entry, Mufti? Siddharth, bro. Supposing Apex, how to deal with floating P&L trading drawdown? I'm thinking to try one account with Apex. Good risk management. Let's think about right now. If I made, yesterday I made $450 of profit. What's a beautiful day in a 50K account, right? That increased my balance of $450, my peak balance, if that was my peak balance. That, and how much drawdown I still have? If today I lost $400, I still have $2,100 of drawdown. So right now, to make this trailing drawdown move, I have to go back again to the peak balance. So I have to make $400 and more. So if you have good correct risk management, the trailing drawdown, no problem. Especially if you're not over trading during the day. If you hold your trades, but the thing is holding your trade. Are you holding your trade and you make $400 on a 50K account? That is a good risk management, kind of. Or you're holding your trade and making $2,000 and then close it in break even, and then you're losing all the drawdown on a 50K account where you had only $2,000 of it. I know that right now you are trying to resist your demons not to go for another. No, Mohammed. I was speaking today with my colleague. And we were speaking about. He told me, do I have a max loss, something on Rithmic that triggers me, and I don't take any trades? I told him no. It's been a year right now and more that I've been taking 2 trades per day. That is my stop. I don't take more, because if today I take 3 trades, I waste all the discipline I built until now. And my discipline right now of taking 2 trades per day is such a strong thing that I don't need some arithmetic system to block me. I don't need anything. I take my 2 trades, I'm out. I call it out. That's what I do. If right now is the emotions, of course, are speaking. I'm trying to understand my emotions, how my emotions was in the first trade, how my emotions was on the second trade, and that's the beauty, right? Taking this long, getting stopped out. You know what is FOMO? I show you what is FOMO on a normal situation. I went long, I got stopped out. I come back here, I go short, because that's what you see, right? That's what I see. I'm like, oh, freaking hell, it has to go lower. This level has been respected. This is getting rejected. I will go short. Boom, getting stopped out. Then, okay, I will go long. This is beautiful. This is go long. Boom, getting stopped out. And a day where you had to respect your loss of 2 max trades, then it becomes a day where you blow up all accounts. You blow up everything. Months of work. That is the point, is that the moment you break a rule and you're wasting months of work. You're not wasting the work of today. You're wasting the work of months. Because especially the worst case scenario is that if you break a rule and the trade goes green, I'm sorry for you, but your mental side now is fucked up. It's fucked up because tomorrow if the same things happen, you expect to be green again by breaking your rule, and that is when you blow up the account. Yeah, so be careful, guys. When you have your rules, respect them. Keep pushing like that. You're surviving. You're going like that. And if today if I did a bad trades, could have done better. Yes. Let me at least respect my rules. Could have done better in execution. Yes. Let me at least respect my rules. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow maybe the market is just more clear for me to read. Today the market is not the best. Okay, it's okay. Tomorrow is again a max loss day. It's okay. Friday again is a max loss day. It's okay. Monday next day is a max loss day. It's okay. Tuesday is again a max loss day. It's okay. Wednesday is again a max loss day. It's okay. Thursday next week is a max loss day. It's okay. Friday is again a max loss day. I blow up my accounts. It's okay. I've done the best I could have with my knowledge and my discipline until I blew up my accounts following my rules. It's okay. So you do have a daily stop by taking 2 trades? Yes, 2 trades for me are enough. If I don't want to overtrade. I don't want to take more than 2. 2 are enough for me. If I get the 2 trades correct, I'm good. If not, I'm out of this. Like for example, like look at this now. If I was still here, I'm still trading this choppiness. 45 minutes. No, this is 15 minutes of bullshit. Of nothing happening. Yeah, any one of us has different rules. You take 5 trades, you take 10 trades, you don't have a maximum number of trades, you have a maximum number of trades, you have a maximum loss, don't have a maximum loss, you have a time loss. I don't give a shit about which rules do you have. If these rules help you to be disciplined, keep going with your accounts, not blowing them up and growing them step by step, do it. Keep doing what you're doing, guys. I swear I will never come. One day, I tell you guys, one day I will teach. But I won't teach strategies. I will teach discipline. I will teach psychology. I will teach how you handle emotions during trading. I will teach these things. But I will never come and teach you. I don't think I will ever come. I don't think so. I will never come and teach you strategy. Strategy are for free. They are in YouTube and everything. But if I have to be a coach, it's going to be a coach of psychology side, trading psychology, mental side. Lucky me. Good morning. Thank you, brother. Thank you, appreciate. We keep going, right? Look at this choppiness. I got stopped out, but look at this. I will be still trading in this bullshit. She's trying to drop. I love how you disciplined you are. Thank you, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Mufti. Appreciate you. And you as well, Mufti. You got your payout after 150 freaking days. Imagine that. 150 trading days. I know it's a lot to say. A lot. 150 days is more than 8 months of trading, 9 months. Maybe it's 10 months of trading, waiting for a payout. Peace and love, that's your journey. That's your journey. You're a turtle. A turtle that takes 1 hour to do 10 steps is tomorrow a turtle that takes 40 minutes to do 10 steps. And then 20 minutes to do 10 steps on the third day. Keep going, keep growing with your speed. In 2-3 years, you're gonna be like, thanks God I was disciplined today, that now my habit is just in my heart, that breaking a rule makes me feel vomiting, right? We are here for the long run. That's it, turtle. We're a turtle team, guys. 5 moons time. That's how Muhammad constant. Yeah, right. Activity society is the long-term game we play. Long-term. The only things I'm thinking about, guys, is I will play some medium long-term on the stocks market soon. I like the idea of doing some long-term investment with some slightly a bit of trading, you know, but trying to buy in a good price and stuff like that. Show compounding results. Yeah. I don't want to get divorced the second time. Mufti, if you get divorced the second time, I marry you. No worries. No, Active Trade Society and me, we marry you. We do a threesome. When I confronted my father about my trading activity, he told me you will make money when the sun rises from the west. Yo, that is a killer. That's a killer. So far, it's right. My God, yes, man. We've been all. We've been all of us. We've been that. I swear to all the. I said it to my family, and my family says, "Are you making money?" And I'm like, now I'm profitable, at least now I'm profitable. But a year ago, wallah, people were I was telling them I'm not yet, and they were like, "What are you doing there? What are you doing there?" The father killed you, man. Or I freaking, he took you. Where's the position? Bam. One is gonna rise from the west. What a killer. Well, I've got this shitty price action, guys. Tell me, what the freaking is this shit? I'm okay with my max loss, to be honest. I will tell you something. Today, many people lost money. Apart Tomato. Tomato is a genius. Today, he freaking killed the Tomato. I'm not able to drink a freaking spin? What the heck? Done for the guys, what the heck are we doing here? How many people we are in the? I'm thinking, guys. Tomorrow is Thursday. Today price action was shit, and I'm not the best. Let's do tomorrow. The people that are still here, people at least people tomorrow we do giveaways. Tomorrow we do dark races. Dark races tomorrow, we do giveaways, and we make it happen. Yeah, it's super fast. I saw it because Active Trade Society, you tend to I forgot the word, to hold. You tend to hold, like, I don't know, if you, for example, you're shorting here, this pullback, it means nothing for you. You're still holding, and then you get still shorting. Tomato, I saw him is strongly aggressive and boom out. Strongly aggressive and boom out. I like it. Yeah, you do good, guys. Tomorrow we do give a bad scalp fast in my personal. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Okay, good to know this win. Things I didn't know about that. Guys, tomorrow we do giveaways, so you're welcome to tomorrow 9:30 Eastern time. We do giveaways. Guys, I wish you the best. Let's see each other's tomorrow. Today is a normal loss, max loss, less than a max loss. Guys, today's price action is shit. We're out of it. We respect our rules. We protect ourselves. If you're trying to buy Apex, remember my code is Hamza. That's my name. It give you 80% off. It will give you the best discount every time, no matter which promotion is there. Guys, love you all. Have a great day and peace and love.